Hey, Salvador Brakeman here. Welcome back to the First Site Guide YouTube channel. And today we're talking about how to earn $50 to $1,000 per day with blogging. So a lot of people will actually benefit from working from home. This is kind of one of the side benefits, I'd say, to blogging. So about 91% by certain statistics will say that you can actually benefit from working home when it comes to not only your quality of life, the enjoyment that you get out of it, but as well as just your productivity, I think is a really big, important one. So let's go through a couple of ways in which not only you can earn money working from home, but also as a blogger, some of the ways you can monetize your blog. So the first one is going to be affiliate marketing, right? And now there's tons of great content out there on our YouTube channel when it comes to affiliate marketing, which is basically when you refer a customer to a product and you get a percentage when they decide whether or not to buy that product. Kind of like recommending a friend, right? You recommend a friend a product, we decide to go to the movie, you get 10% cut of that movie that they see. Same thing would be like if you're trying to recommend a product, let's say you have a photography blog and you decide to recommend a new camera. If someone goes through that link and they purchase that camera, you can get a percentage, a commission of that sale. And you don't have to deal with anything like customer service. You don't have to deal with figuring out things after the fact, fulfillment, delivery of that camera. You literally just have to refer people to that via a link on your blog. Super simple. And you can make money from affiliate marketing. So that's the first way. The next is selling services through your website. So if you'll just say, staying with the photography blog industry example, if you have a photography blog and other people are photographers trying to learn about photography, you could sell a service to them, maybe like an editing service, where you help them edit the photos that they're making for clients. Maybe you charge them a set rate or a rate per photo, and you help them with the editing. You take the burden off of them doing all of the editing work for their clients. Another good one would be a service like consulting or coaching. You're helping them as they're becoming better in photography with coaching sessions or consulting sessions. A great way to sell your services through your blog. Another one would be, let's just say, digital products, right? So staying with the same example, if you are selling photography services, you're recommending products, what are some of the other things you could do? You could sell a digital product. You could sell an ebook, right? You could sell an ebook to these people, and literally from the time that you publish that ebook, everything else is just pure profit, right? Because there's no delivery cost to deliver that ebook to people. You could also do things that you package together all of your knowledge into a course, which they go through, they take, and that becomes passive income for you and for your business. So you can sell digital products or a membership section for your website, all great ways to make money from home. Another simple one would be selling advertisements or sponsorships, a sponsorship package, if you will. So you can do things like banner ads, right? Part of the Google AdSense program. You can do stuff like doing a sponsored blog post. You can send out links to your newsletter, doing a newsletter promotion. You can package your services into a sponsorship and that way charge money and help people promote their products. You can also, if you want to, come out with your own physical product. So let's just say with the photography example, if you decide you want to create a new tripod, you could invent that tripod. You could put together some designs. You could decide to maybe do something like Kickstarter, right? Get a minimum order quantity going, and you could actually produce this tripod and sell a physical product to your end customer. A bit more intensive, but it is an option. Another idea would be to go beyond just the simple nature of your blog where you're selling services and to go into a major marketplace. So you could sell services via Fiverr, you could sell services via Upwork, TopTown, ton of different websites out there to be able to sell your freelancing services. And it's a very quick way to begin to rake in money if you know what you're doing. So if you're a very good photographer already, or you're really good at photo editing, or you're good at movie making, you can easily sell that on one of these websites and just bring all of your skills and expertise to help other people with their projects. If you want to make some quick cash on the side, another idea would be to use survey tools, so like Swagbucks or Tolunda, right? There are a lot of different survey tools out there where you can get paid and compensated for taking surveys online. This can be a really easy way to generate some extra income that you maybe put into building out your blog or a marketing strategy or buying education that can help you along the way. A lot of easy ways, I think, to make some extra cash there. Another simple one would be to begin to search for bugs online for other people's software. So this would be kind of in the, realm of if you just want to make a little bit of extra money at home, you don't want to have too much, onerous work on your plate, if you will, you can begin to debug other people's software. You can look at a site like HackerOne or Internet Bug Bounty and really easily check out some of the vulnerabilities in software, websites, and other web applications that way and get compensated for it. it. You can also take the same approach when you're testing out other people's applications. So you can start testing apps on different platforms like Test Your Work, user testing, and you can actually earn money for it. Another idea would be to use your extra time and to apply for virtual assistant positions. So rather than doing work related to your blog, you can help other people in a virtual assistant capacity. So for example, if you're great at organizing things, you can become a virtual assistant, apply on websites like GetMagic or Time, etc. to get started. You can use your organizational skills and to help other people and also bring more cash into your work from home lifestyle. Kind of in the digital product realm, you can also sell courses online. So you can use Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable, Podia, a lot of easy ways that you can sell your own online courses, generate that passive income magic, and supplement your income that way from working from home. Another topic that I've seen get more popular recently is print on demand. So print on demand is basically, rather than you holding lots of inventory, you can sell a product and it's literally printed on demand. So that could be a book, like print on demand services via Amazon. It could also be other things, like it could be Teespring, right? Creating t-shirts based on popular slogans and selling print on demand that way. If you're a creative person, you can start selling your stuff directly by creating stores on websites like Redbubble or Spreadshirt. Kind of in the same line as coaching and consulting, you can also teach online. You can teach one-on-one a valuable skill. If you're teaching language learning, you're teaching people how to program, right? This is really like a one-on-one mentorship almost. And you can use Skype, you can use Zoom, you can use anything, any kind of visual relay, you can Google Hangouts if you want to. It can be a great way to get started with teaching and tutoring. Believe it or not, but you can actually be compensated as well for playing video games. I know it sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. You can actually play and test video games and earn money for doing it. Check out sites like Playtest Cloud and Second Life. You can actually get compensated for playing video games. Final one I want to mention is you can also make money by becoming a top writer on Medium. So you can actually make a decent income by joining the Medium Partner Program, and you can sign up and apply to be a partner writer and make some great passive income that way. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Salvador Brigman. Go and check out some of the links we got down below, and also give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Join our Facebook group. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions at all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.
If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more useful content.